Good morning, everyone, and fancy seeing you here. It's not a good day in Wellington, so therefore you can beat Wellington today. But today we're going to be continuing off our Wellington food adventures, our last day here.
So we're going to start our day off with the very popular Harbourside Market, which happens every Sunday, so we're very excited for that. And then for lunch we're going to have some Filipino food at Lazy Juan.
So yeah, let's try to cure these rainy blues with some amazing food in our final day of Wellington. I'm very excited. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm hungry.
All right, let's go. First stop, just because we mainly wanted their masala chai, is Chaiwalla, and we also got a bread pakora from them. It's looking real sinful and delicious. It comes with a mint and mango chutney and a date tamarind chutney as well. It's basically deep fried and stuffed bread with spiced potatoes. Look at that! Oh my gosh, let's swirl it. That's so good on a gloomy day like this. It's just what you need. If you can see on the inside, it's smoking hot. And then it's stuffed with very, very smooth potatoes. And that sauce, the chutneys at the bottom, it's just so magical. Oh, it's so like sweet, fresh, spices, refreshing. Honestly, this is so good. And then the bread is like slightly crispy as well. Yeah, taste it. With a chai. Oh, that's hot, but that's good. Chai, this is such a fantastic drink, you know. No coffee just yet, even though we're in Wellington, but good start. On to the next one. Angels in devil shoes, salvation in the blue.
We got even more food, of course. We went to a Sri Lankan spot, and you know, I couldn't resist getting a chicken roll. This is one of our childhood snacks, because like back when we used to live in like near Panmure, there's a place that would sell stuff like this, like chicken roll after a swimming session. Oof. And we also got a stuffed roti. There was a vegetarian option, but we got the lamb one, and it looks great. But yeah, it also comes with a chili sauce. You know, we haven't had much food in our system, so I don't want to put too much just yet. The spice, the meatiness, the potatoiness, the outside. Yummy. The outside isn't like super like crunchy or crispy, but that's still really delicious, and the spice sauce is really good. And there's also a chili paste, so let's add just a little bit. He added a little bit, so in my eyes I believe that's probably gonna be quite spicy. Oh yeah, feeling that heat come through, almost like sambal like. And then this hunky looking lamb stuffed roti. You had me at stuffed roti. That's just wow. Oh, yeah, that has like a much more like meaty paste. Like the lamb is coming through, and the roti is like more like thick. It's a bit chewy, and that meaty filling with all the spices. It's so aromatic. I love that. Add some chili sauce. Yeah. Yeah, the seagulls, they're approaching. They know what Sunday means every time.
Next stop, the Greek food truck. I've had my eye on this truck for a while, and I'm so glad that we finally get to try it, because, you know, shout out to our Greece vlog viewers and viewers from Greece. You guys were the first to support our videos en masse, and we appreciate that. It's got the works. It's got the fries, the you know, the iconic gyro filling, fries, tomato, oregano, onion, and some tzatziki. We got it with lamb, but let's get into it. No lamb just yet, but have a look at the inside. Pita is real fluffy. You know, you got all the accoutrements and stuff. That is magnificent. Look at that lamb. So nicely charred.
Is it talking?
Yeah, that was the intention. Hi.
You know, it was just chilling.
No. You never know. But that is amazingly fatty and fresh and zingy from like the onions and the tomatoes. I'll have another bite. Oh, springy pita as well. This is really good, really good.
Okay, final stop. You know, we had to get a little dessert and we had to get some poffertjes, you know, some Dutch pancakes. Shout out to our Amsterdam vlogs. If you haven't watched that yet, go watch it already, you know. But yeah, we went to this stall called Moontfort and, you know, just got a few pancakes with some apple stroop. So it has some butter, some apple syrup, icing sugar, you know, not too much. Oh, all right. Oh yeah, you can definitely taste like the apple preserve flavor coming through, and it's like not too sweet. You know, it's very fluffy, bouncy, warm. That butter as well, like warms you up inside, you know. But now we must walk even more before lunch, so let's go.
Alright, kamusta mga kaibigan? We're here at Lazy Juan in the Terrace. One of the only Filipino food spots in the capital. I kind of also do like some twists on like classic Filipino dishes. So it's not entirely traditional, not entirely modern, like somewhere in between. So I'm very excited. They kind of also do like normal cafe items, but why would you be here for that? Come on, like if you're gonna go to a Filipino spot, get the Filipino stuff. Do yourself a favor. Are you excited, Yami? Filipino food? Let's eat.
The food has arrived and it's looking mighty glorious. We have to start with one of my favorite dishes to eat, beef patis, but this one's really unique. It's a roasted beef patis, so it's not like in a stew form, it's more like dry, but you can still see like some sauce piling at the bottom. It comes with garlic fried rice, some achara, and they have this really unique like pink looking sauce, and I assume it's like their beetroot hollandaise, I think. Also comes with a poached egg, but you already know. Let's start with just the beef and the rice. Oh yes. Yum. That beef is super soft, tender, really savory, like the sauce, and you can kind of taste like the starch coming through. It's a bit different like compared to the ones that my mom or AJ makes, but very meaty, beefy, umami. Oh, let's add some egg. Yeah, and this hollandaise, like the pink sauce, like if I taste it by itself, it's like, yeah, it has like a bit of a tanginess to it, but it's like very unique. And add some achara. The achara added like a nice brightness to this very like umami meat. But yeah, ooh, let's open it up. So tender and fatty. Yummy.
Next dish, actually first dish, we'll go through the gising, which is creamy, spicy green beans and pork mince in a coconut sauce. All of their dishes actually come with garlic rice, but because we don't want like 3 cups of rice, as even though we are Filipino, we still have pretty tiny appetites now, so we just got it without garlic rice. So let's just taste. Yeah. that coconut sauce, honestly. I think traditionally, the chili is starting to come through. Gising is actually traditionally made with cigarillas. I think it's called wing beans. So, but you know, because cigarillas are very hard to find, if not impossible, they just use spicy green beans. Let me just try it with some more stuff. You can taste the bagoong, the funkiness of the bagoong in the background there as well. That is amazing. But main event for me, at least, is their chicken bacolod with kansi gravy. Also, shout out to Lazy Juan. Look at it. It's half a chicken. You got the thigh and the drumstick and then the breast and the wing. For 25 bucks, I swear, if you went to a Western restaurant and ordered this much, it'd be like $40. Make it make sense, honestly. But it comes with this luscious kansi gravy, which is another traditional Filipino dish at the bottom. When it arrived on the table, we could just smell the lemongrass just being wafted from the plate. Oh yeah. We love that golden dark skin as well. And then, and of course, rice with some chicken oil on top. We love to see that. So, check out. Oh my god. The kansi gravy has a delightful sourness to it. And then the lemongrass is just perforating from that tender and smoky chicken. Like, that gravy's elite. That's like some elite stuff right there. And then paired with the rice, you already know. I just love how unique the food is here in Lazy Juan. It twists it enough to have its own unique modern twist into it, but still remaining very, very true to its Filipino roots.
Dessert time for good girl treat. And we got a pretty unique dessert. So it's kamote balls, fried kamote balls with like a ube custard and chocolate. I'm very intrigued by this combo because like I love ube, I love chocolate, I also love kamote balls. So let's just cut one in half, see how it looks. Ooh. Womp. Oh yeah. I think the chocolate is just like as a garnish. I don't think it's actually like inside, but I guess we'll have a taste. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's great. It's like a bit chewy with the balls, a bit crunchy because of the outside, silky because of the ube custard sauce thing. It's sweet. There's a bit of a saltiness to it, and like the nice peanutiness because of the chocolate. It's like a genuine party in my mouth. There's just so much going on that you think wouldn't work, but it works. Another, it's like just perfectly balanced, you know, as things should be.
Okay, excellent meal at Lazy Juan. I must say, how'd you find that?
That was really nice. It was a bit different, but it was a nice different, and now I'm full.
But now there's only one last touristy thing left to do other than visit Parliament. We're going for a guided tour. You have to book them in advance, which is what we did. So yeah, let's get exploring the heart of our nation's capital. Woo. Let's go. PTSD during lockdown, every day, 2 o'clock. This is where Chris said it.
To spread their legs when they are
other things. Wellington.
Oh.
So, Parliament tour, how was it?
Really, really good, insightful. Love politics. But yeah, it was nice seeing the stuff that you kind of see like on TV or on the news, like in person. You know, that was great.
If I was Prime Minister, I would pass a bill
If you are a citizen of New Zealand, you need to subscribe to Locavore.
If I was Prime Minister, I would pass a bill to abolish all ducks. For no particular reason. Watch and learn.
Oh, not bad. Watch and learn.
Okay, so we're here at Zelati. They're a dessert cafe and they do some pretty unique like gelato and desserts, and I actually didn't know this about them, but they have a lot of like plant-based vegan dessert options. They also have some cool Filipino flavors, and by flavors I mean ube. You can see we have a ube brownie a la mode, you know, with the brown sugar stracciatella ice cream on top with whipped cream. Ube ice cream, this one is vegan, a pumpkin s'mores cookie, and some Spanish style hot chocolate. We have to act quick because 2 of this has ice cream, so we don't want it to melt. Ube brownie. This is vegan, which I'm really fascinated by, but I feel like it's just gonna taste really good with the brown sugar stracciatella, but let's have it with some whipped cream first. Ooh. Yeah, that's really good actually. When you have ube desserts, sometimes it can be a bit of a miss when it comes to ube, like the flavor's not strong enough or it tastes a bit weird. But this tastes really nice, and you can kind of have, like, you can taste the underlying coconut in there as well, and it goes really nice with the cream. And let's add some ice cream as well. That's really good. It's not overly sweet as well. Okay, now it's time to try their pumpkin pie s'more. It's warmed up a little bit, so you know it's like really soft. Like, oh my gosh, it's like soft to the touch. Oh yeah, yeah. You can taste those like warm spices that you associate with pumpkin pie. It's really nice. It really works well here, and it's so soft.
Okay, we also got, probably the main reason why we're here is their ube gelato. You already know. This is the flame and we are the moths. Ube gelato. Oh, that is good ube flavor, honestly. But this is excellent. You know, if you just told me it was a good old dairy milk gelato, I wouldn't bat an eye. They really nailed the ube flavor of this, honestly. Yeah, Spanish hot chocolate, very goopy. Kind of wish I had some churros or something, just because this is super decadent by itself. But it's nice. Okay, we find ourselves in the airport now, and that can only mean one thing, and that is goodbye to Jaffa's take on Wellington 2.0 2023 edition.
Yeah, we got to explore a lot of food and coffee, you know, especially today we went to the Harbourside Market. We missed out on that one last trip, so we're really excited to kind of explore all the food in that one.
And anyway, thank you guys for watching another one of our food and travel videos live from the Wellington airport. And until next time, Wellington, see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.